In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Microsoft Outlook to schedule meetings with your colleagues. We'll go through a simple process, making it easy for you to check availability and set up meetings with confidence. First things first, let's go straight to your Microsoft Outlook. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard where you can see your emails, tasks, and more. Outlook is a comprehensive platform, not just for managing emails, but also for organizing your calendar and scheduling meetings, making it a vital tool for enhancing productivity and time management. Now locate the calendar icon, typically found on the left-hand side of your Outlook window. Click on it to open up your Outlook calendar. The calendar feature in Outlook is incredibly useful for structuring your work week and avoiding scheduling conflicts. Whether it's a team meeting or a one-on-one, synchronizing your calendars will ensure everyone is on the same page. With your calendar open, let's move on to how you can set up a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button, which is usually found at the top of your screen. Clicking this gives you access to create a meeting invitation. This is where you can enter details such as the meeting agenda, location, or whether it's a virtual meetup with a link provided. Adding detailed information is always a good practice as it helps the attendees prepare adequately. Now here's where things get even more practical. Click on the Scheduling Assistant tab. This feature is particularly useful when you're planning a meeting with multiple attendees. It offers a visual representation of when your colleagues are available, displaying their schedules to help you pick a time that suits everyone. By using this tool, you can avoid the hassle of back and forth email exchanges trying to nail down a perfect time. It's all about efficiency. If someone's schedule is packed, try finding slots that all parties have free, ensuring that everyone necessary can join the meeting. And just like that, you're all set. Once you've finalized the details, you can hit Send to dispatch the invitation to your attendees. It's streamlined, efficient, and ensures no one is left out. Just by using these simple steps, you can transform the way meetings are arranged in your organization, saving time and reducing stress for everyone involved. This process not only simplifies the meeting setup, but also enhances coordination across teams. So there you have it, a quick and efficient guide on using Microsoft Outlook for scheduling meetings. With these tips, I hope you'll find this part of your job much smoother. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.